Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Nissan 350Z. The Nissan 350Z is an old school muscle car for grown-ups with a 3.5-liter V6 engine driving the rear wheels and a 6-speed manual gearbox. This one mean copy. You can sprint from the rest to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds and max out at 155 miles per hour. The engine sounds far bigger than it really is and delivers great acceleration low down in the rev range, as well as having mid-range grunt. It may floats of grip, but the 350Z isn't quite as nimble as many rivals through a series of fast bends. However, the ride is firm but compliant, and the steering weighs up nicely as speeds increase, providing plenty of feedback. The Z is strictly a two-seater, and although driver and front passenger have plenty of head and leg room, usable cargo space in the boot is very limited. The 350Z has strong residual values, and because there aren't many around, you may have to pay high prices for the car you want. Running it will be an expensive business too. Average fuel economy is just 24.8 mpg, and according to the handbook, you should feed the 350Z higher octane premium unleaded petrol. Servicing intervals are quite frequent at every 9,000 miles. However, you could opt to use an independent garage for this, which will save you about 20% of your bills. For all that, compared to the competition, the Nissan looks a good second-hand buy, and although it's clearly in a lower league than the Porsche Boxster, the Audi TT, and Mazda RX-8 are squarely in its sights, the 350Z holds its value well, and it should prove cheaper to maintain. But for some, the stumbling block will be that it doesn't have the same quality image as the other two. Because of the popularity of the 350Z, there are lots of gray imports from Japan. While these work out cheaper to buy, they don't come with exactly the same specification as UK cars, and your insurer will probably want to charge you a higher premium. The exact service history and background of the imported car may also be unknown. Overall, though, you should have little to fear. The company has a good reliability record, and Warranty Direct says that only 20% of Nissans require any attention. The only complaints about the 350Z concern knocking noises from the rear suspension, but this appears to be rare. Depending on the age of the car, the service schedule should be complete, but the 350Z is a driver's car, so be wary of any vehicle that looks like it's had a hard life. Those big alloys are also prone to curbing, and uneven tire wear will show up. Problems with the suspension. There's only one engine which comes with a manual gearbox, so there's just color and spec to pick. However, there was a facelift in 2006, giving slightly more power to 97 bhp for better drivability. Power was increased again in 2007 to 309 bhp. The 350Z is well kitted out as standard and features 18-inch alloy wheels, climate control section, headlamps, electric front windows, remote central locking, and a CD multi-changer. Sat-nav was available as an option. In the optional GT pack adds electrically adjustable and heated leather seats, cruise control, and an upgraded stereo system. There are only 6 colors available, including Sunset Orange. The Z is aggressive enough to get away with it, but it's a turnoff for some buyers and could make the car difficult to sell on. You could also shop around for a car with some of the various dealer fit extras available from Nissan's Motorsport division, Nismo, including body styling kits and wheels. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.